Hello, my name is Devin, and my favorite movie ever to watch is Free Guy, starring Ryan Reynolds. That it starts inside of a video game, is an NPC, and he wants to become a superhero. But the plot twist to it is when he has to figure out how to restore all of the power in the world, trying to figure out how to stop a villain from the creators making a new game of themselves and keeping the same game for them. In order to do this, he has help from a girl named played by Jodie Comer, also known as Molotov Girl, and together they help each other try to stop the villain, which is played by Taki Waititi, something like that. But during the events, it goes good. It's more of an action movie for the genre, and it's not too much of horror or romance. It's more of a comedy and action. In order for so later in the movie, the plot twist, while the whole place is getting broken down, their video game is about to be erased. Ryan Reynolds go has to stop the villain and race to the other side to hack the system in order to keep the game from not getting deleted. In my overall view of it, it's a really nice, cool movie because I like video games and how it is. But that's my favorite movie to watch.